when we have many things, when we have and we have child with them, and we have to travel many destinations along within a particular area and within a particular period of time, and we have to explore the countryside and we have to meet the local people.
Right. When should not a car be rented?
When in case of point to point trips.
Right. Why is a car rental option more suitable for traveling for more than 4 hours?
As we do not know the area and do not know the type of and we do not know the type of road condition, and we do not know the traffic flow.
Right. Which car rental operating companies are global?
Ammo, Avis, Budget, Dollar, European Peer, Hertz, National, Thrifty.
Right. Which car rental companies offer the world's largest car rental network?
Hertz, Budget, Avis.
Right. Which code is used by the booking agent to define the vehicle requested by each customer?
Vehicle matrix code.
Right. How many letters are described by any car?
4-digit combined codes.
Right. Where is the vehicle matrix code is used?
Computerization system, global distribution system, and car rental documents.
Right. How can car be equipped according to the specific needs of the customer or in some areas, specifically the road conditions?
Child seat, roof luggage carrier, and the winter equipments, along with onboard navigation and the telephone.
Right. When the shuffle driven vehicle should be used?
In case of high terrain, when left hand drive is given and the traveler does not know the language.
Right. How is the shuffle driven vehicle useful for business traveler?
As they can discuss things with the travel, or they can prepare for their meetings.
Right. How is the shuffle driven vehicle useful for leisure travelers?
Leisure traveler can fully relax